You're not supposed to look here. You're supposed to look at the camera.
Oh, in the gun!
Oh shit.
No.
What do you mean by at least?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed,
Subscribe. What did someone say? Thank you for always coming back.
so today's video is going to be really fun and just like, just fun stuff. Can you please meet the 10 people who watch my videos?
Hi, all the 10 people who watch those videos.
Okay, he doesn't know anything about makeup. He's shit scared. And I'm basically forcing him to do this. But yeah, I'm gonna ask him to recreate another look that I've done. I uploaded a picture on Instagram like the other day, and he was like, it's a nice look. So I was like, I have an idea,
Why not?
Yeah, so that's what he's gonna do. I'll put the picture in the screen right now. It's a very green look. Do you think it's easy?
Green was green.
My eyeshadow is
Oh,
green.
Okay.
I've laid out the things that might be necessary for this look, so he's just gonna start, okay? So let's get started! What?
Like,
I'm
should I go from left to right or right to left?
I don't know all that, okay?
This is Ole with. So should I like with you with this now?
Did you wash your hands? Are your hands clean?
Yes, of course.
Okay, okay,
Sure.
okay.
This is how I do cream on my face. This is how I put cream so it's evenly distributed.
You don't have to tell them how to put
No, this
cream.
is how I do it. So you should put FPS in the middle.
You should put
Sunscreen. Next step.
Oh yeah, what's next?
Well, if it was me, I just finished off with the powder and it's done.
Yeah, I'm not you.
So we have foundations.
How do you know it's foundation?
It's written
Oh, it
foundation.
gets written on it.
Okay, so we have that here, and I don't know what to do with it. Then there's something called Born to Glow.
Take one item at a time, no?
So should I like start from left to right now?
I don't know. This is foundation. Foundation,
Foundation, easy.
Okay. Don't waste product. Like, I don't want to waste makeup. It's expensive,
It's all everywhere right now. Are we supposed to do foundation? No, I'm confused. You have a weird face. This is also something like green. So it's a second layer of green, you can say. So if I like do it perfectly, what do I get?
If it's really nice, I'll go out like this. We're actually planning to go out. So if he does a good job, I'll actually go out with that makeup. You're dragging the neck and all,
Okay, so that's done.
That's it? Is it all over my face? Is it like even? Is it looking even?
Yeah.
Is it like too much on one side and like less on the other side?
It looks even.
I can't see.
Okay, it looks fine.
Whatever you say.
And we are done!
No, we are not.
Okay. Then we put Born to Glow at the end so you get the glow look.
Okay.
Okay.
Where do we put that?
On your face, of course.
Yeah, but like which part of my face do you think? Anyway, it's up to you. You can use it whenever you want.
I think this is to put in your eyes.
In my eyes?
Oh shit, what is this? It's interesting.
Just squeeze it a little bit. And then some little bit weak. Bus. Now you can put wherever you think it's.
I think no, I've seen you do some shit like this.
Why do I put it around my mouth?
Probably a mustache.
Yeah, I do have a mustache.
So we use maybe probably the same brush to like evenly distribute all of your dark spots.
Oh, in the gun!
Not bad, huh?
I don't know, you guys. I can't see it. I can only see it on like the small.
Alright, so we are done with that. Now we'll use this baking powder.
What?
Yeah, so we are going to use baking powder and it's called banana. Okay.
Why do you think it's called banana?
I don't know. What do you put this on? Okay. This looks interesting.
What is this? Like, there's a name for this, no? I always.
Tweezer?
Tweezer, yeah.
No, tweezer is not this. No.
This is a tweezer.
No. Tweezer is the shit that you use on your face. I mean, eyes.
Okay. Yeah, but don't waste it.
That's how I do it on my
Yeah,
face.
It's looking nice.
Yeah, very nice. That's all.
Disgusting. If you want, you can take more. I mean, what's the purpose of the powder?
I use it because I have
Not
a very
you.
oily face. So probably maybe.
To make it like look matte. So is my skin looking matte? Why do you just blow? So is my face looking matte?
Your face is looking perfect.
Okay. Now what?
Now we will close this powder.
I like it.
Mm.
Organized, just like me.
Yes. And we have. Why do you have so many concealers?
What color is this concealer?
This is.
No, I mean like show them. No.
Oh,
See, it's a very dark concealer. It's yeah, it's very dark for my skin. So what do you think I use it for? I don't know. You do. If you feel like you don't need it, then don't use it.
Yes. I got it. Yes.
What?
But is this the next step or something or?
That's up to you.
Yeah. I know. I have seen you do this.
Okay.
Draw something all over your face.
Oh, yeah.
Something like.
Okay, just squeeze it and it will come to the tips. Huh, bas, it's there already. Yeah. Be careful, don't overdo it.
Cute. Look at this. Okay.
Do you see my videos?
Me?
Mm.
Yeah.
You do.
I'm one of those 10 subscribers you have.
So why did you put that dark color on my face?
I like to give the shade to the face.
What shape?
I don't know, it's a sharp face. But
Sharp
I
face.
don't know, I think.
Is it looking nice?
I don't know. I think I managed to wipe it all off. I don't know. It's supposed to be like this.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle. That's-
Yes, you can do it. Shit, I think I messed it up.
Why?
It's all looking very dark. That looks funny.
Are you serious? Did you mess it up? You can go back with the foundation or like.
Can you like turn your face?
No, then they can't see.
I cannot see it now. So don't complain if it goes wrong. It's very powdery. I don't know. It's coming off. It's supposed to do this.
I don't know. Is it okay? Nice.
Now looks like a lot of products. So I don't know. Should we all use it or are we done?
Do I look done?
I don't know. For me, it looks
No, not done.
just has a brush.
No, there is product underneath the brush.
Hoola Benefit
Okay.
Mini for what? Doesn't say how to use it.
That will not say.
It's
You
a
need-
matte powder. So we put again powder. A lot of layers.
It's dark, no?
Is it?
I don't know. It's you decide.
No, I think it's right for me.
Yeah, it's right for you, but
Where do we put all this? I'm putting everything in the same spot. So am I supposed to do this?
no, you're doing it wrong. Have you heard of contouring?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I don't know what it is.
Alright. So that's what you're doing right now.
Or is it? So am I doing it right?
Yeah. Okay, now you're not doing it right. Okay. Yeah, now you're doing it right.
Oh, I think I'm getting it. That's all fine.
Okay.
Now we have, I don't know what it is, but I'm going to use it.
What does it look like?
It looks like powder again. It's very pink.
Okay. Where does pink go?
On your cheeks. Oh, it's glowing.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's very glittery. I like it. Can I put it everywhere?
No, you can't do. I mean, like it's your to do whatever you want.
I like the glow.
But then I look like a shining ball.
Yes, you should. You're done with the shining ball,
Mm-hmm.
and this is a game powder.
Mm-hmm.
It's a matte.
Matte?
Sorry, MAC brush.
Brush.
Blush. Oh, sorry. Oh, it's a blush.
What's a blush?
For you to blush. But you already have glow on your face, so I think you don't need much of this, but we'll still do it.
Okay.
Yep. You're good?
I don't know.
So I think I've used all the products here. Oh, this is something.
You know how like my eyebrows are not like they have like areas where there's no hair. You need to like fill that area. Manslaya.
Yeah. Alright, still do it. I think I messed it up.
You can run your fingers through them and like try to like take away some product. Not like that. Be light, no.
Alright.
Don't like go in like so dark. Be like light handed. Ouch. Nice.
Oh my god. Let me
that's-
find the green now.
So I've given him the palette that I used, yeah. There's only one green in it.
But what?
But why are you using such a small brush?
Easier for me.
Okay. Is the color coming? Is it looking green?
No, it's not. I don't know why. Should we like put some water on it or
No!
Can I do it in my way?
So but is it looking green enough? Like in the photo?
No, I'll put more.
Okay.
I'm just
But now you're just wiping away everything.
blending it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's kind of looking.
Green?
Yeah, but I need a little bit more green.
So now you're using your finger. What happened?
Because I think I learned the technique.
Mm.
Okay.
That's it?
How do I wipe it off?
No! Not on my beauty blender.
Oh, that's our beauty blender.
Ah.
Not perfect, but I think you can pull it off.
Okay. Oh, I can pull it out.
Yeah.
Okay. Not that you have done an average job.
So I think you are ready.
No, I'm not.
Okay, I need to like do your eyebrows.
But I do something, no one scary thing that you don't
Oh
like.
yeah, tweezers.
Tweezers, yeah. So what are you doing with this?
Having a pointed eyebrows.
Eyebrows?
So that is eyebrows.
Oh, what is this?
This is the eye shadow.
Okay, wait. This is very careful. You can injure me, okay?
Mm.
Be very serious about this.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh shit! Did I hurt you? Okay.
You can't. You.
I cannot do it.
Okay.
So let me jump to the next. So this is the Sephora up size
Up.
up.
Okay.
Oh shit.
But where you? Oh, you know where to put it and all.
Yeah.
How?
This I've seen it.
Ah.
If I touch your eyes, just scream.
Yeah. You're not even touching my eyelashes.
That's called eyelashes.
Yeah.
Can you close your eyes?
No, if I close, how you'll put?
I can
Okay,
do
okay,
this.
okay,
Just
okay,
close your eyes.
okay. But that's not the right way to put.
It's okay. It's my way of putting. Maybe you can learn something from me.
Okay.
Perfect.
Can I open?
Yeah. Looks all fine. It looks all fine to me.
But you're not doing anything under my eyes here.
Like I think this pencil will do that.
Okay. Be very careful, okay? Kandu kuttilla.
It just gives the signal. Can I see that photo again?
Oh, you want reference?
Yeah. Who's there?
See, Siri is not recognizing me.
Spot on.
What do you think is missing?
I think Photoshop. Yeah.
Over? What about lipstick?
Perfecto. Now is the final part. The
Mm.
lipstick. So you gotta
At least do this perfectly.
At
What is-
least? What do you mean by at least?
My-
Yes.
Don't go outside of my lips.
No, that I can rub it off, right? It's okay. I'm a pro. Cool! But let me just finalize it with a bit of powder.
Okay.
Do I just throw it?
Yeah.
It's coming out perfect.
But now you're just covering everything with powder.
Yeah, because I messed it up, I think. So with powder.
Finish?
Yes!
Can I look at myself?
It's poured on. But I got
What?
here and there right. I think the eyes I got it right.
This is right?
The eyes, I think I got the rice right.
Rice, right?
Sorry, eyes right.
What is this? Why is there green on my nose?
I can change. See, that's gone. That's gone.
This is not acceptable. Fail. Fail. My husband failed. So this is what my husband did. It's a complete failure. Please accept that you're a makeup
No, I don't
failure.
accept.
And I don't know what to say. Like, I'm very disappointed. Like, don't try this at home. This whole thing came out like 6 years ago, but I did not have a husband 6 years ago, so I'm doing it now. And
And she failed.
I failed, you failed.
Okay, I failed you.
Yeah, you failed me. Okay, that's it, you guys. I hope you had like fun watching this. We had a lot of fun filming this. It was
Yeah,
fun.
I had a lot of fun.
Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.
Bye bye.
No, you have to say bye, guys.
I have some powder in my hand.
Don't use it.
Bye guys.